Excuse me? Are you
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl. Whoa, I think I just got a young intro. I think this is my thing. You ain't gonna tell me, but that's the theme song and we're sticking to it. That's my man and I'm gonna stick beside him. So yeah, this video is a very, I don't even know what's gonna happen in this video. I feel like doing a little get ready with me, but I'm not going anywhere. So I don't know if I should do like a young like basic makeup or whatever. I don't know, but we'll see. But what we're definitely going to be doing today is unboxing something that I've been really wanting for a long time. And you know me, I am such a finesser of things on a budget, because sis, I'm not gonna do not gonna spend so much money for something I can get that's a dupe, baby. So yeah, I'm so excited. It's going to be my first reaction. I ordered it about 4 days ago and I got it 2 days ago. Does that make sense? Yeah, so I'm just going to be unboxing it and unpacking it with you guys, so y'all can also feel the experience. It's my first time seeing it, obviously besides online. And yeah, I'm so ready and get to it. I'm so excited. So here is the packaging, and yes, it's a surprise. It's a surprise. It's a surprise. I'm so excited. I don't know, because I've been wanting these shoes for a long time. So yeah, let me start talking. I got my nails. Also got my nails done. Your girl is bussing. So yeah, I got my nails done. Look at you. I'm surprised. Looks like I just bought a potato. I don't know what this is. I think it's just protect. So I'm just gonna do this. Yo, bro. Protection. And by the way, where's the, I think I just lost the receipt. I was gonna show you guys. Okay, there's no receipt in here, I don't know. But I'm gonna put oh my god, all the memes in my head right now flashing. You know when you're so excited and you like just start doing all the memes? That's the moment. I don't know if it happens to everybody else, but me personally, that happens to me. Anyways, prepare to be sick of me. Prepare to be sick of me. Oh my goodness. And you know what my biggest fear is ordering shoes online is like getting the right size, because sometimes I'm a size 4 and sometimes I'm a size 5. So it really depends on the cut and depends on like what it is. If it's boots, I definitely go for like a size 5. But if it's like heels or whatnot, it's really confusing, because sometimes I fit into a 4 and sometimes I fit into a 5. And like, I'm going to fit in these shoes in Jesus' name. Please. Lazy. Okay, Mr. Price. See now. Oh, and by the way, if you go on the website, on the Mr. Price online app or whatever, or even on their website, you'll find these shoes in like a different variety, right? Let's just zoom. But these ones were the exclusives. I think they were still testing them as samples or whatever, but oh goodness, it is worth money. I just pray that it doesn't break, because to be honest and to be quite frank, Mr. Price shoes are not to be trusted. Not really not to be trusted, but like the stiletto, the tiny ones, are not to be trusted, especially if you have weight, a little bit of weight like me. Like, I don't know, but if anybody has bought Mr. Price heels that is like stilettos or whatnot that are in proper condition, that doesn't have like a base, then yeah. But anyways, My experience with my surprise heels though has always been good ones. I have one pair that is kind of funny, but yeah, let me just show you guys actually. So I'm back, and I'm better. So this is an example of a shoe that I bought at Miss Surprise. Very recommended. Like when I go to Miss Surprise and I shop heels, I usually shop these type of shoes with this type of platform. Really loved it, see-through. Really caught my eye. It was on the sale because nobody wanted to buy it. I guess there was a number of it, and I copped it like because look at this, baby. Look at these details. Oh, magnificent. I have these pair of heels as well. So these ones are kind of tricky. I've only worn it like twice. No, actually, I've never worn this thing outside. Not gonna lie, I've worn it once, and I haven't worn it ever again. So this is usually like I use it for my styling closet with clients. One of my clients specifically, this is what I've added to her closet as her personal stylist. So I don't recommend these type of heels because I can't do it. To walk around and to go out with it, you must be strong, mama. So back to the review, guys. I'm so excited. I don't know. I just can't. New and improved fit, designed with better padding to give you that extra comfort. Yabo, Miss Surprisey. There's a little notes they have for me. It's a size 5 and it was 269 rand, so it was 270 bucks. So yeah, it's a size 5. I already see it has like a nice comfortable extra padding like they said. It's thick as hell, so let's try it out. And before we try it out, yeah, just gonna look at the details. It has like these studs situation going around the anklet, support thingy, and it has a cute star. So I'm going to compare the original one because I ain't got no money in my bank account for that. So yeah, and then okay, cool. So we're looking at the Versace platform heels. Obviously I don't have the shoes, so I can't really tell you how it feels like. I wish, but all I can say is that it looks much more cheaper to buy it from a surprise. Obviously you can see visually that this Versace one has like a double platform, and obviously that's an advantage, but that comes with the money, obviously, with the price of it. But yeah, compared to how it looks visually to the Mr. Price one, there isn't really much of a big difference. And obviously you always can look around for a better version at Shein. They have double ones and as well as ASOS. So yeah, because I own the shoes right now, I can actually relate. So in terms of comfort, I can say 8 out of 10. Appearance wise, it looks good. It looks very much expensive. Quality wise, it's giving. Price wise, it's giving. So yeah, I get this review 10 out of 10. Oh, I hope it fits. Oh God, please. It fits me well. Girl, my legs are ashy as hell. But I'm going to quickly go find me some Vaseline. It's go unash these feet. But so far so good. Let's bring you guys closer. So obsessed. So obsessed. Happiness. If I'm broke, none of my business.